We got a great video for you today on how to have fun outdoors. Your adventure channel with Alice.
Hey, hello everyone.
And Tommy T. That's right, we're in Madagascar to check out these amazing whales. We were there for 18 days and it was absolutely amazing. If you haven't, check out our Facebook, Instagram page, and our website, How to Have Fun Outdoors. That's right, folks. We're in Madagascar. This is the 4th largest island in the world, the 2nd largest island country, the 44th largest country in the world. It is absolutely stunning and beautiful. If you haven't, check out our sister channels, How to Have Fun Fishing. We fish all over the world. That's right, folks, from Africa to Europe. And how about How to Have Fun Camping? Our brand new channel where we do all kinds of RV reviews, campground reviews. You're definitely going to want to check that out. And how about How to Have Fun Cruising? We visit all kinds of great locations and do all kinds of cruise ship reviews. But how about How to Have Fun Outdoors? The Mothership. This is one great channel with adventure travel all over the world. From Africa, you name it, we've got it. You're going to definitely want to check it out. But today it's all about Madagascar. That's right, one of the coolest countries in the world, and it is absolutely amazing. Like we said, we got to see a little bit of everything there. We absolutely loved it. Alice, one of your favorite spots?
Absolutely, one of my favorite vacation, and there's so much to see.
Yeah, from June to September, guys, great numbers of humpback whales travel to the warm waters of Madagascar to breed. That's right, they put on a spectacular display of all of this breaching, jumping, and splashing just offshore. You can actually see it from our hotel. It was remarkable. And believe it or not, they migrate around the island on a specific route, and then before then, they return back to the cold waters of the Antarctic. That's right, and we're going to show you right from our hotel. We took a little boat. We were at this really cool little hotel called the Sambatra Restaurant, Bar, and Hotel. It was absolutely gorgeous, beautiful sandy beach, as you can see here. We got a little boat, had some friends, we all got on it, and we went in search of these amazing humpback whales. Take a look at this, you will love it. Let's watch it one more time in slow motion. Look at this huge humpback whale. Boom! That's some serious whalage, and no question about it, it was absolutely stunning. This is where we just dropped the GoPro in the water, and this big giant whale just came right by the boat. It was incredible. We hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely comment down below if you ever seen a humpback whale, and subscribe to How to Have Fun Outdoors. Thanks for watching.